Okay, so Holly recommends 10 inches after the collector. So somewhere in here, this is the collector. This collects all the tubes and makes it into one. So supposedly somewhere in this area is a good spot because that's where the exhaust is of all 4 cylinders has mixed. Now on this truck, it only has one O2 sensor, and it's on the right bank. It comes in the same harness. The harness for the O2 sensor is in the same harness as the starter, and it comes up by the battery. It comes down here. So we're gonna run it along these tranny cooler lines. I got a 24 extension, and then I got the Ford O2 sensor, and then I got a welded exhaust bung of the same thread as the Ford O2 exhaust sensor. So what you want to do is figure out how this comes apart. And we got to figure out 10 inches, about 10 inches, whatever, from the collector. We'll go in the middle of the collector. We'll go further, well, right in there. So it's about right here. It's 10 inches. So that's 10 inches. Now you got to put the O2 sensor up there and be able to put the O2 sensor in, and spin it with a wrench and get it tight. Now they say not to be at 90 degrees straight up, 90 degrees down, or 45 degrees. They say above 45 degrees, about 30 degrees, somewhere in there. So this is 45, and somewhere right in here. I have no idea why, but anyways, it looks like it's gonna clear. It's not hitting the side of the transmission. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mark that spot. Oh yeah. And now we'll go put the bung in. Take this out and go back to the ditch. Okay, we got our spot in the pipe that we want to put our exhaust bung. Again, this is the bung. Get these from Summit, Amazon, wherever. So we need to know what size to drill. I'm gonna go just a little bit bigger than the threads. And then we'll just weld it on. That way we just know we have a nice size hole. All right, so we'll just go a little bit bigger than threads. And that is, I use just step bit. So we're gonna go 13/16. So we're gonna go basically this whole step bit, except for the last step. But it's not gonna matter if we go to the last step. So. Okay, we have our hole. Now we'll go weld it up. What? We have a place for our sensor. We got to start. Right, wire is clear, goes right to the training lines. We can zip tie it right onto the training cooler lines underneath it, away from the exhaust, as far as away from the exhaust as we can get it. Connect this back up, and there you have an O2 sensor back installed.
Hope that helps you. Have a great day.